Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey through one of the most impactful speeches in financial history, Warren Buffett's Unforgettable speech. This speech not only left the audience captivated, but also inspired millions around the world. So, let's dive into each point, dissecting the wisdom that has shaped the minds of investors and enthusiasts alike. Point 1. The power of long-term thinking. Warren Buffett. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. In this opening point, Buffett's words echo the essence of his investment philosophy, the power of long-term thinking. It's not just about reacting to market fluctuations, but embracing the patience required for true financial success. Let's explore why this perspective is a cornerstone of Buffett's approach. Warren Buffett often emphasizes that the stock market is a tool for transferring wealth from those who are impatient to those who are patient. This isn't just a catchy phrase. It encapsulates a fundamental principle of successful investing. The idea is to view stocks not as mere pieces of paper to be bought and sold, but as ownership in a business. This mindset shift is crucial because it encourages investors to focus on the underlying value of a business, allowing them to weather short-term market turbulence. Long-term thinking involves looking beyond the day-to-day market noise and focusing on the enduring strength of a company. By holding investments for the long haul, one can benefit from the compounding effect where gains accumulate over time. Buffett's own success is a testament to the power of this approach, as he often holds investments for many years, if not decades. So, the first lesson from Buffett's Unforgettable speech is clear. Embrace the power of long-term thinking in your investment strategy. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market that truly counts. Point 2. The circle of competence risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Buffett's philosophy extends beyond patience. It includes a profound understanding of personal limitations. The concept of the circle of competence is a critical aspect of his investment strategy. Let's dissect why knowing what you're doing is paramount in the world of investing. The circle of competence is a term coined by Buffett, and it refers to the idea that investors should stick to what they know. In other words, one should invest in businesses and industries within their circle of competence, areas they understand deeply. This approach helps investors avoid making decisions based on speculation or incomplete information, reducing the risk of financial losses. Imagine your circle of competence as a boundary that defines the industries and businesses you are familiar with. By staying within this circle, you leverage your knowledge and expertise, making informed decisions. Outside this circle lies the unknown, and venturing into these territories increases the likelihood of making mistakes. For Buffett, risk isn't just about market volatility. It's about the risk of not fully understanding the businesses in which you invest. So, the second lesson from Buffett's speech is to be acutely aware of your circle of competence. Knowing what you understand and sticking to it is a crucial step towards making sound investment choices. Point 3. The importance of integrity. Warren Buffett. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. Moving on to another profound point from Buffett's speech, the importance of integrity. Buffett's emphasis on building and maintaining a strong reputation goes beyond mere ethics. It's a strategic business decision. Let's unravel why integrity is not just a moral compass, but a key component of long-term success. Integrity is at the core of Warren Buffett's character, and he recognizes its significance in the business world. In his speech, he highlights the time and effort it takes to build a reputation, but also underscores how quickly it can be tarnished. For Buffett, integrity isn't just a moral imperative, it's a practical necessity in the world of finance. Consider your reputation as an investor or business person as a form of currency. A good reputation builds trust among stakeholders, clients, partners, and the public. This trust is invaluable and can take years to establish. However, it only takes one unethical decision, one moment of compromise, to erode that trust and damage your reputation irreparably. Buffett's emphasis on integrity serves as a reminder that success isn't just about financial gains. It's about building a legacy based on trust and ethical conduct. So, the third lesson from Buffett's Unforgettable speech is clear: guard your reputation as you would your most valuable asset, because in the world of finance, it truly is. Point 4. The importance of continuous learning. Warren Buffett. The more you learn, the more you earn. Warren Buffett is not just a legendary investor, he's a dedicated learner. The importance he places on continuous learning is a key takeaway from his speech. Let's explore why he believes that the more you learn, the more you earn. Buffett's mantra is simple yet powerful. The more you learn, the more you earn. It's a philosophy that extends beyond the world of finance and applies to life in general. In the fast-paced and ever-changing landscape of business and technology, the ability to adapt and acquire new knowledge is a competitive advantage. Imagine learning as a catalyst for earning. As you accumulate knowledge, you gain insights that can be applied to various aspects of life, including financial decisions. Buffett, known for his voracious reading habits, understands that staying informed is not just about making better investment decisions, but also about navigating the complexities of the modern world. Continuous learning is a mindset that transcends formal education. It involves curiosity, a hunger for knowledge, and a willingness to explore new ideas. Buffett's success is a testament to the idea that intellectual curiosity and a commitment to self-improvement are key ingredients for long-term success. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of Warren Buffett's unforgettable speech. From the power of long-term thinking to the importance of integrity and continuous learning, each point provides valuable insights that can shape not just your investment strategy, but your approach to life. If you found this deep dive insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.